Welcome to Sean Home Decor and Design, where we explore the latest and most stylish trends in home decor and design. Today, we are diving into the realm of trendy masculine bedroom decor and design. A well designed masculine bedroom blends functionality, sophistication, and comfort, creating a space that reflects personality and style. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to update your current space, this guide will provide you with the inspiration and practical tips you need to transform your bedroom into a sleek and modern retreat. The foundation of any great design begins with color. For a masculine bedroom, think of a palette that includes deep, rich hues like charcoal gray, navy blue, forest green, and black. These colors exude a sense of strength and elegance. However, to avoid the room feeling too dark or heavy, incorporate lighter neutrals such as white, beige, or light gray for balance. For instance, you might paint your walls a deep charcoal and contrast this with crisp white bedding and light gray accents. The interplay between dark and light creates a visually appealing and inviting space. When selecting furniture for a masculine bedroom, focus on pieces that are both functionally and stylish. Think of clean lines, sturdy materials, and a minimalist design. A platform bed with a low profile and a sleek headboard can serve as the centerpiece of the room. Opt for the materials like leather, wood, and metal, which blend a rugged yet refined look. A dark wood dresser and nightstands with simple, understated hardware will complement the overall aesthetic. Bedding plays a crucial role in setting the tone for your bedroom. For a masculine look, choose bedding in solid colors or subtle patterns like strips or geometric designs. Materials like cotton, linen, and flannel are excellent choices for both comfort and style. Layering is key. Start with high quality sheets, add a cozy duvet or comforter, and finish with a few accents, pillows, and a throw blanket. In terms of color, stick to the neutral or dark tones that complement your overall color scheme. Lighting is vital aspect of any room design and a masculine bedroom is no exception. Incorporate a mix of lighting sources to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Start with overhead lighting such as statement chandelier or pendant light to provide general illumination. Next, add task lighting like bedside table lamps or wall mounted sconces for reading and other activities. Finally, consider accent lighting such as LED strips lights behind the headboard or under the bed to add a touch of modern sophistication. Textures add depth and interest to a space. In a masculine bedroom, mix and match different textures to create a layered and dynamic look. Personalize your space with art and decor that reflect your taste and interest. For a masculine bedroom, consider framed back and white photographs, abstract paintings, or metal wall art. These pieces add character and serve as conversation starters. A well organized bedroom is essential for creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Invest in storage solutions that keep clutter at bay. Incorporating neutral elements into your bedroom design can have a calming and grounding effect. Consider adding a few plants to your space that they improve your air quality and add a touch of greenery. Opt for low maintenance plants like succulents, snake plants, or double Z plants. Window treatments are an often overlooked